You can do anything in Excel, but finding out what's going on in a spreadsheet, especially one you receive from someone else, well, broken links, Frankenstein formulas, and no clear starting point, anyone? How much time have you wasted trying to understand Excel models? Imagine saving hours of manual analysis. With PerfectXL Explore, you can visually map out your spreadsheet to help you get to grips with a model for a quick and thorough cleanup. See a connection you didn't expect? Just click it and immediately see how everything links together. For easy documentation, lists are available of everything in your Excel file, and for everything you find, you can jump straight to the corresponding place in Excel. PerfectXL Explore makes light work of even the heaviest models. Request a free demo today.